Then you will get to know this measurement right now. Here this is 0 degree, and here this is 180 degree, right? This will be 90 degree. So you'll be start measuring from this. You will be you have to take the measurement from this side, right? So you will start the measurement from this side. Okay. So we have to draw the same angle as shown in this figure. Getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, no? By the way, Laksh, I needed clarification on this thing. Last time, the exercise questions that you have shared to me, they were not from the NCERT, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that your book, or is that your sister's book, or your sibling's book?
That was my book.
That was your book only. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So in your school, NCERT book is not being followed. That is for sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, have you done any questions further from your book?
What, sir?
From the exercise, have you done any more questions?
No, sir. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, do it, and whatever doubts you're having, just let me know the questions so that we can discuss it right now. Okay.
Okay.
And meanwhile, you also try to participate here. Okay. So in this question, what we have to do first, take the measurement of the angle. Nafis and Habib, as you guys are having your books with you, so take out the measurement using a protractor. Find out what's the value of this angle.
115 degrees.
115 degrees. Okay. What about others?
I'm getting 100.
You guys also find out the measurement. Take the measurement and let me know what values you guys are getting. Look, you were saying 115. 65? No. How is it going to be 65? Listen, Nafis, listen. From which side you're going to take measurement? From this side, no? From this side. Okay, na? And which one? The one in the blue or one in the black? You have to take the one in the blue, in the black one. See, always keep this thing in mind that whenever you're taking measurement from this side, na, you will be taking the values written over here like this one. Okay, na?
Yes.
So then tell me what answer you would be getting here.
Okay, sir.
See, roughly I have managed to place the vertex H at the middle of the protractor here.
116 degree.
116 degrees. Okay.
Sir, it's 116 degrees.
116 degrees. Very good. So that is 116 degrees. So now using the protractor, you will be drawing the same angle. So what you have to do, you will take the protractor here. Okay. Then you will draw a line. You will draw a line over here like this. Okay. And you will see where 116 degree is coming into the protractor. Like where is it on the protractor? So it will be exactly between. It will be over here now. So after 110, count 6 units. Right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That will be coming to this. Okay. Make a point over there. Mark a point right over there. Then you'll be removing the protractor, and with the help of a ruler, you will make a straight line like this. And then you will be having your angle that will be measuring 116 degree. Got it? How you guys have to draw it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look, since you also must be having a protractor, so you also make an angle of 116 degree.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Nafis and Habib, turn your cameras on.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. And it's saying that write down the steps you followed to draw the angle, right now. So what the steps you have followed here to draw this angle? In the first step, you have draw a ray, no? To draw any
Sir,
ray. Yeah, Habib,
I have a doubt.
tell me.
Is question number 1 in figure 2.23, list all the angles possible. Do you find them all? Now guess the angles, then measure the angles with a protractor. Record all
Hmm?
your numbers in a table. See how close your guesses are to the actual measures.
Yeah. In this one, you had a doubt. Okay. What exactly is the doubt? Can you be a bit specific? The entire question?
I don't understand the question.
Okay, hold on. See, in this first question, in last class, I did told you that we have to first spot the different angles here. See, we have to spot the different angles. So this is an angle, right, Abhi? This is also an angle, right? And what more? What more do we have? This is an angle or not, right? This is also an angle. This is an angle, right? Now this is also an angle. This one is an angle. Even this one is an angle. This one is also an angle. So these are the different angles that you can spot here, right? So in total, how many angles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Then you have to guess
Yes,
the
9.
measurement. What could be the measurement of this? What could be the measurement of this? So you have to make a rough guess first of all. So first, as I told you that you have to make a list of all the angles. Total 9 angles are there. Then you will write the guess measurement here. Like suppose if you are talking about angle PAC. Everyone tell me what could be the guess measurement? What could be the value of angle PAC? Also, while you are
115 degrees.
115, you are saying okay.
1515.
Yeah, I got it. While you are saying this thing, keep this thing in mind. You are
That's a
placing the
lot.
protector like this. See, Habib, you are placing the protector like this. So when you have placed the protector like this, so from which side you are going to count the measurement? From this side now.
Yeah.
Try to visualize it. Okay. And see, in the middle, you have got.
Done,
Hold on.
sir.
1 minute, it's not working.
Sir, I completed the third question.
Yeah, I'll be back to you. 1 minute. So it will be around 115 or 120. We can make a guess. Next, you will write down the actual measurement here. Like what is the actual measurement? And then you will see whether your guess was true or not, like how close it is to the actual measurement. Same thing you had to do for every angle here. Okay, na? So this will be, let's say,
Sir,
115 roughly.
finished.
Finish now? Okay, good. So that is roughly 115 degree. Then you have to take the actual measurement. So that, let's say, make them around 106 or 107, like that. So same thing you have to do for all the angles. Okay. Okay, show me this, how you guys have drawn it. Bring it close to the camera quickly. I need to see if you guys are actually doing it or not. Okay, that's good. Hold on, you have drawn 116 degree. Okay, correct. We have written the steps, draw a ray, measure the angles. Okay, good. Nafis, you show me.
Okay, sir. Oh, this is the angle that I draw.
That's the angle you have drawn. Hold on. That does not look like 116 degree. Hold on, hold on. No, Nafis. That does not look like 116 degree. No. Have you measured it? Measure it properly using a protector.
Okay.
Measure it again.
Okay, sir.
Because it looks like acute angle. See, 116 is a obtuse angle, no? So it should be wide, but yours is looking acute. Okay, Nafis. Moving on to further questions. So in each of the below grids, join A to other grid points in the figure by a straight line to get an acute angle in this first one. Okay, na? So here we have this line. We have what we have to do. Sorry. We have to join this point to other points given in this whole grid to get an acute angle. Right now, one of it is already done for us. We have to do in some other ones also. Right. So what should we do? Should I draw a line like this or should I draw a line like this to get an acute angle? Tell me. The first one or second one?
The first one.
Right now, the first one where I marked. So we can get an acute angle like this. Okay. And what else? Can I make a line like this also?
Yes.
Yes, no, or no? So I can make a line like that
Yeah.
also. Okay. Is there any other way? From this point, is there any other way to get an acute angle?
Drawing it sorry, not vertically, horizontally above.
Like this.
Yes.
If you were to do so, not suppose if you are going to do it like that, then see, that is not an acute angle, that is an obtuse angle then, no? Look at this, how wide it is. Getting it, Laksh and everyone?
Sir, what about the left side?
Yeah, as I said, on the left side, which one you're saying? This one, like this? Like that, no? You're saying?
Yes.
No, again, you will be getting an obtuse angle. An acute angle measures less than 90 degree, right? And more than 0 degree. But if you're going
Yes.
to make an angle like this, see, it will be this much, no? Right?
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
While a right angle looks like this, okay, na, it is in fact more than a right angle. This one, look at this one. Is it making a L
Yes.
shape? No, it's even making a
No.
shape that is broader than L shape here. So obviously this is not an acute angle. So the only possible way you can get an acute angle from this is in two manner. Hold on. Is in two ways. This or either this. Okay. This or either this. Okay. In question number B, we have to get an obtuse angle. Yeah, so tell me, should I draw the ray from here to here?
No.
No.
Because
Okay.
it will be acute angle.
No, right angle, no? If
Yes.
I right angle, that will be 90 degree. Okay, should I make a ray like this from this point to
Yes.
this point?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Exactly. So that will give me an obtuse angle. Okay, and what else I can do? I can make a ray like this also, no?
Yes.
That will also give
Yes.
me, but I have to make only one so that it does not become confusing. Okay, so I will make only one.
Mm.
Right. Okay, now in this one, tell me. Should I draw a ray like this or a ray
Yes.
like this?
Yes.
Up or down? Up or down?
Up, up,
Up.
up, up.
Up,
Up.
like this. And hence you have an obtuse angle. Okay. Nafiz, you all, Habib, you also tell me. Not talking about the reflex angle.
Yeah,
So
up.
then we can make up, we can make it go from here to here also. Getting it? Because we are
Yes.
taking the outer angle in the case of reflex angle, now, right? So suppose if we were to take this one, right? So this will be a reflex angle right now.
Yes.
Getting it?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, now in this one,
In this.
We have
should I
to.
should I take a
Yeah.
line like this? Tell me.
No.
No,
No,
no.
because that will make a
Straight angle.
That will make a straight angle.
exactly.
Straight.
Okay. Okay. How about I take an angle like this? Make a ray like this,
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
right? Or what about this?
Yes.
No, no, no.
Yes.
No, we can, no?
Yes, we can.
We can,
We can. We can.
right? So because this will be the reflex angle now. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, now question number 2. Use a protractor to find the measure of each angle, then classify each angle as acute, obtuse, right, or reflex angle. It is talking about this we can figure here. So first, learn to spot the angles properly in the given figure. Angle PTR. So angle PTR. I'm talking about this angle here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So with the help of a protractor, you guys will be doing it. Okay. So all of you first take out the measurement. Okay, na? With the help of the protractor, then accordingly classify them as acute, obtuse, right, or reflex. Okay, Laksh, how will you be doing this question, Laksh? Hmm?
I'll try to place the protector on the screen.
Okay, you're attending the class from a smartphone or for some iPad or something
Laptop.
like
Laptop.
laptop. Okay, okay. Place it over there.
Sir, can you please zoom in the screen a little bit? Thank you.
Hold on. Just 1 minute.
So how should we put the protractor on screen?
Like if you're attending it from the like laptop, then you can do, but do
Sir,
not
I
do
got
so
the
if you
answer.
have your book already. Then
The real protractor on the screen.
yeah, you can do so if you don't have any other option. Like Lakshya does not have books, so he can do it in the following manner. But there might be slight error in the answer. There might be slight error. You might not be able to get exact value. Okay.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, tell me.
Angle PTR is
30 degree.
Yeah,
Hold on.
acute.
Angle PTR is
30
Acute.
degree.
30 degrees.
both
30
of you getting
degrees
30
acute.
degree.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
So that is acute angle. Okay. Next
PTQ.
we have PTQ. This angle, right? PTQ.
Okay, this is also. Where is
Habib, how much is angle PTQ?
angle PTQ is 60 degrees. Yeah. Sir,
Sir,
angle PTQ is 60
60,
degrees.
Well done.
60
60.
degrees.
So that is
So it is acute angle.
again acute angle. Very good.
Acute.
Next angle PTW. This one angle PTW.
PTW.
The bigger arrow, the bigger curved arrow. By the way, one thing is sure that it is clearly
Sir,
going to be more than
105.
90. 105 you're getting. Okay. And Habib, how much you getting? Enough. Laksh, what about you?
I'm still measuring. Okay, yeah, 100.
You're getting 100 degree. Okay. What about you, Habib? Habib, you know how to place the protector, no? You will be placing the protector like this. The center of the protector should be placed just above the vertex T. You will count from this side. Okay, na? Okay, Nafis, how much you were getting?
105.
105. Okay. Let me see about you. Habib, you there in the class or not?
There.
Yeah, tell me the value. How
Of
much you getting?
P.
TW,
P
PTW,
Sir, I'm also getting 105. Yeah, I get
105.
it.
Okay. So if it is
of
105,
which PTW?
yes.
PTW, let me check.
So is it acute, obtuse, bright, or
105.
reflex? Good.
Obtuse.
It
That's
is
obtuse.
Obtuse,
Obtuse.
obviously. Good. All right. Now sorry, WTP already written now. PTW or WTP, it's the same thing, right? Now, if you talk about this angle, WTP here, okay, now WTP. So WTP here is basically talking about this one over here. See, this one. So how much will be the measurement of this angle? So how do we find that? Skip this
43.
thing.
Angle
No, no,
43.
no,
Oh,
no. Understand one thing. This is your angle PTW, right? This is angle P, T, and W. Okay. You know that other than PTW angle, there's one more angle now, the outer angle here, that is the reflex angle,
yes.
right? Now PTW, you have found it to be how much? 105 degree, right? Okay, na? And what will be the other angle? How do we find
So
the
the
reflex
angle
angle?
mentioned is 285.
285. No, that is not correct. You
No.
are no. Look here. This angle is going to be how much? How do we find out? So to find out, you know that reflex angle is basically equal to
So
360 degree
PTW is
minus
100.
PTW is 105. We are required to find WTP. WTP means this angle, Habib. This angle.
But I checked PTW. It's showing 100.
100.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys are getting 105.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say that it is 105. Let us suppose that it is 105. Okay, now. Okay, and see if you are required to find the this angle here. So how do we find it? So it will be, we know that this is reflex angle. This is going to be reflex angle now. Getting it? So reflex angle equals to 360 degree minus interior angle. Okay, 360 degree
Sir,
minus internal.
100 and wait, 165 degrees.
No,
Sorry, 265 degrees. 265 degrees
no, no,
Sir, is it 200?
no. 360 degree minus 105 degree.
equals to
255.
255 degree exactly. So the measurement of angle PTW is, sorry, WTP is equal to 200.
265 degrees.
Okay, and since
255.
255 is greater than 180 but less than 360, so it is a reflex
Reflex
angle.
angle.
It's clear to everyone now?
Yes.
Okay. Also, when you add 255 and 105, how much will you get when you add these two value?
360.
60. And that's the angle measurement
360.
around a point, right? And that is the
Yes.
angle measurement around the point. And this 360 degrees is also called as complete angle, as you know.
Yes.
Okay. These questions we have done. Now again here you have to draw these angle using a protractor. Okay, now so I'll be leaving it to you guys. Okay, or I will be assigning some questions to you. Do one thing.
Sir, these are the last questions of the page.
Exactly. So do one thing. 82 degree locked. You are going to draw it. Okay, now 35 degree Habib, you will be drawing this, and 195 degree, that is for you Nafis to draw. Okay.
So this same question was in my assignment. I did it. No, sorry, not this. Yeah, it was, but the some options were like some of the options were 35.
Oh, okay.
I
That
did
would
it in my assignment.
that might be a different assignment, I believe. Nonetheless, do it right now. Okay. The C1
Sir, can
Nafis, yeah,
Sir, can I do it in a piece of sheet?
obviously do it wherever you find it comfortable.
Okay, sir.
Drawing a 195-degree is a bit tricky, but not difficult. Okay, na? Because in the protractor you don't find 195-degree, right, Nafis? In the protractor, the units are from 0 to 180-degree only, right? So how will you be drawing it then? So beyond 180-degree, you know that you'll be having what? 185, then you'll be having 190-degree, then you'll be having 195-degree. Okay, I have given you this hint. Let's see if you can draw it, otherwise I'm here to help.
Sir, I'm done.
Done. Okay, show it to me. 82-degree. Okay. You have not named the angle. Name it also.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Okay. And draw the arrows properly. Draw a short arrow like this.
Sir, I
Draw a
have to
short
do
arrow.
195
Yeah, 195. I was
because
explaining this to you moments ago. See, on the protractor, the measurements are till 180 only now, right? So what you will do, first you will draw a ray named as OP or anything, right? Okay, now. Then what next you will be doing? You will draw the dotted lines like this, OQ, okay? Then you will place the protractor inverted side, okay, na? Basically rotate the page, and from this point onwards, take the measurement of 15 degrees. From this point onwards, take the measurement of 15 degrees, and wherever you are getting 15-degree, place a dot over there and connect that dot to the vertex O. And this much of measurement will be giving you 195-degree. Okay, no? Yeah, look, you have marked it. Did you mark it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the name of the angle? What name have you given it?
Sir, the name I've. Wait, am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah, you're audible.
The name I've given is AOC.
AOC. Okay, good. Habib, you done with question number E? Yeah, Habib.
Yes, sir.
Okay, show
Done.
it to me.
Okay. Opening my video.
Hmm. Yeah, show it to me. Why you're doing it, drawing it on the other side? Although it is correct, okay, not a big problem, not a big issue, but see, you should be drawing it from this side. On this side of the
My
protractor, you'll be using it.
my video is that mirrored image.
Mirrored image? I don't think so. Show it to me once again.
Oh, wait. Just a second. Okay, now see.
No, no. I'll be back to you. 1 minute. There's someone on door. Yeah, I'm back. So Habib, you have to take the measurement from here. See, look over here. This you'll be seeing 0 degree marking on the protractor. Look at the protractor, and here you have 180 degree. Okay. So from here onwards, we'll be starting taking the measurement. Somewhere around here, between 30 and 40, you will get the mark 35, and then you have to draw it like this. Okay, it should be coming on this side. All right. Now estimate the size of each angle and then measure it with the protractor. First, make an estimation, like what could be the measurement of this angle, and then measure
Sir,
it with the protractor. Yeah, show it to me. Laksh, meanwhile, you start doing the other questions. If you can still use a protractor.
wait.
Yeah, very good.
Sir, can I show you again?
Yeah, sure. Also, do one thing. Nafis, keep it in that position. So that is angle ABC. Okay. Also, make the curve like this. Otherwise, it will not be clear like which angle you are trying to show. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Nafis. Make the curve also. Yeah, Nafis, do it fast. So we have to first estimate, like what could be the measurement of this angle? Let me tell you. You guys tell me of angle A here in the figure A. Maybe 50, 60 degree or 40 degree, right? Make a rough guess.
Which one? The first.
Yeah,
That's 40 degrees, 45.
40 or 45 degree. You are saying okay. First, we will make a rough guess. Second question. So figure A. Let's write
Sir,
it.
it's
45.
45.
It's
Yeah.
45. Okay, let's say we were
45.
making estimate of 40 degree, but the actual angle we have got to be 45.
45.
My
Very
answer
good.
was correct.
Yeah, very good. Okay, and the other question, B, maybe around like how much, like 140 or 150? Yeah.
One, one,
Mm-hmm.
190 maybe.
No, one not
160.
not 190,
160.
150,
160.
160.
160.
You're saying okay. Then take out the product and measure it.
Okay. Where is the exact?
This will be the center.
So the angle I'm getting is wait. Yeah. The angle I'm getting is 165.
165. Good.
Wait.
Okay. Others also check
Sir,
it.
165, yes.
165. Right. Same thing we have to do for the C1 also. So this one obviously will be more than 90 degree, but what could be the estimated value? Let's say 110
100.
or
Yeah.
120, right? We can say 110 or something
110.
and find the actual value. Measure it.
Actual
I have zoomed it.
The actual value.
Sir, I'm getting 60 degree.
How can you be getting 60 degree for this one? No.
You're looking at the opposite side.
Yeah. See, basically the simple
120
thing here,
degrees. 120 degrees.
120 degree good. The simple thing here is that
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah, 120, yes.
like if there are two arms of an angle and they're kind of like this, so it will be acute
Yes,
angle. And if they are
yes,
forming an L shape like this, so that will be 90
yes,
degree. They are slightly
yes,
more bent like this, right now. So that will be
yes.
obtuse angle.
Optimus.
If it is like this, so it will be a straight angle, getting it.
Yes,
So that's the thing over here. No matter from which side you are going to measure it, it's still going to be like the same. But there are some
yes.
standard methods we have to follow. So that is 120 degree. Do the same with other ones. Tell me about the D. First, make a guess.
35.
40. Wait. Yeah, 40 degrees.
That's
Habib,
40,
that
40.
is 40 degree.
Maybe
Okay.
45.
35.
No,
35.
35 for me.
Okay, for you, let's say I'm taking your value. Now measure it.
So can you please zoom it in? Yeah. Okay. I'm getting. Yeah, 35 is the wait.
35.
35 is the exact value.
Yes.
35. Okay.
Yeah, exact value is 35.
Okay. Good, Habib. You have made a correct guess here.
Perfect. Yes.
Question number E.
E.
How much this could be?
Maybe
Is
100
one
degrees.
Uh-huh.
115
No,
degrees.
not that much. Okay. It will be close to 100. For question number E, it should be close to
105
100.
degrees. 105.
100.
Okay, let's say 105. Now measure it.
It's 100 and no, it's 99.
99 you're saying. Okay, what about others?
99. Okay.
Measure it with
Getting.
the protractor.
Yeah. I'm
How much are
getting
you
9.
getting, Habib? You're getting
Wait. Can you zoom it in a little bit in a sir?
Let me try.
I think so, 98.
Okay.
No, I think so, 99.
99.
90.
90. No, Habib. It's
How?
not 90. It's not going to be 90. Okay, let me also put the protractor over here.
Wait. Sir, I'm getting 100. I'm getting 95.
95 you're
Yeah.
getting.
No, not 95.
Hold on, let me just place it appropriately. Placing it properly is a kind of a challenging thing.
I'm getting 99. Yes, 90.
We should be roughly getting it somewhere around 98 or something.
Yes,
95.
98 and 99.
It's not going to be 95, but more than that. See,
I'm getting 95.
if you were to make it slightly over here, you should be getting
It's
somewhere around
not
98
at
or
the
99.
proper place.
Yeah,
Yeah,
also,
Okay,
I haven't
98 also.
managed to place it properly right above it. Okay, no? On a sheet of paper, it is more convenient, but placing it on the screen is a bit tricky. So, like 98 or 99, let's say 99 degree. Okay.
99, yes.
Okay. Okay, where's the another one that's hidden over here? Okay, measure the other one also. This one. This angle F. Try measuring it.
wait, is it?
And this one is tricky. Like,
Wait,
reflex angle, you have to measure the reflex angle, no? How do you
wait,
find reflex angle? You find it by subtracting
I
the
guess,
internal angle from 360 degree. First,
sir, I
listen.
guess,
160 degree.
Listen. You
Sir,
have to find this angle, no? This angle
Yeah,
you have to find.
160.
160.
60?
No, clearly not
No,
160.
no, no.
262,
No,
sir, 360 is a total.
hold
This
on.
looks like, sir,
Guys, let me complete.
320.
340 you're getting. First of all, what you have to do,
320.
you have to find the measurement of this angle. Angle F. First, you will find the measurement of angle F. Where it is 10 degree or 20 degree or 15 degree. Then, in order to find the reflex angle, moments ago I have already told you that reflex angle, it is found in the following manner. That is 360 degree minus
10
internal
degrees.
angle. Okay, you're getting 10
Yeah,
degree. Okay,
yeah.
Yes.
so
So
that's
it has to be
360 degree
350,
minus 10.
350
Oh,
degrees.
So
so 350.
this one is 350 degree. Hope
Oh,
it's clear to everyone.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for angle E,
Yes,
for
sir.
angle F, let's say we had made a guess of 10 degree and we got the answer as 10 degree. Okay, now you can easily classify them as acute, right, obtuse, or reflex angle yourself. Sorry, not
Yeah.
10 degree. Sorry, my bad. 350 degree, right? Yeah. So make any figure with 3 acute angles, 1 right angle and 2 obtuse angles. See what question number 4 is saying, third is saying that we have to make any figure with the help of, 1 minute. So we have to make any figure with 3 acute angles, 1 right angle and 2 obtuse angle. So
Okay,
try
very
to
easy.
think. It could be any
Very
figure.
One right.
too easy. Let me
3 acute
Okay.
means like
Okay.
135. Second,
No, not like
60.
that. Not like that. Hold on. We have to take 3 acute angles. So you can take any 3 different angles that is measuring less than 90 degree.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Continue.
140, then 60, then 75.
Okay, we can take that. And it's also asking us to take 1 right angle and 2 obtuse angle. First of all, let's
Sir,
start by taking a right angle, guys.
sir, I created
Yeah,
a right angle and then drawed three more acute angles and two more obtuse angles like this.
like what? Hold on.
Can you see the figure?
Let me
Yeah.
zoom it out. Like that.
Yeah. I first drew the right angle and then made the acute angles and then the obtuse angles.
But this problem, no, see in the figure you have multiple acute angles. It's asking you to draw only 3 acute angles. Now, make any figure with 3 acute angles. It should not be more than 3. Getting it, Loksh and everyone?
Yes,
And
sir.
there has to be only 1 right angle and 2 obtuse angle. First of all, right angle, done. Okay, this is right angle. Okay, Habib
Yes.
and everyone? Okay. Next, let's make obtuse angle in this. Okay, na? Let's make obtuse angle. Also, first of all, let's name it also. A, O, call this as B. To make obtuse angle, let's draw a ray like this. Okay, na? So obtuse angle, how many you need obtuse
Like
angle?
that.
2 angle, no? 2. So first you have got it as, let's name this as angle like OC, the ray OC. So first one you have got angle AOC or not, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? But it's asking us to find 2 obtuse angle, make 2 obtuse angle. Just next to it, draw another ray. And let's call this as OD. Now, will you not also have one more obtuse angle in the figure, right? Angle AOD.
Mm. And
Yes.
also one acute angle.
You already are having acute angles here now. Not only 1, 2, but 3.
Hmm.
In this figure, there
Three.
are 3 acute angles. Tell me how.
Three, yeah. So COD,
COD.
DOB,
Hmm?
DOB, and then wait, what's the third?
First one you mentioned
Oh,
this.
BOD and BOC.
Exactly. BOD and BOC also. Very good. First of all, starting
BO.
from here. Angle COD. Let me write it over here first.
COB, DOB.
Angle COD. Next is angle BOD.
DOB,
DOC.
DOB,
Yeah, BOD. And then angle COB or BOC, right?
Yes.
DOB.
This bigger
Yeah.
one. So angle BOC.
Yes.
Hence our figure is ready. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? That's the thing. Then question number 4. Make the letter M such that the angles on the sides are 40 degree each and the angle in the middle is 60 degree. Okay, let's see what it's asking us. Question number 4 here. So we have to make the letter M such that, okay, that the angle on the sides, like these two angles are asked us here. So the angle on the sides each are 40 degree. Okay, guys. and the angle in the middle, like this one, it should be 60 degree. So I suppose guys will be able to draw it yourself. Let me give you some hint. First of all, you will draw 60 degree like this. Okay, now you will
Okay.
draw 60 degree like this. Now from this point onwards, you will place the protector here like this and make sure that you draw an angle of 40 degree. And here also 40 degree. Try doing it yourself, otherwise I'm here to help. You'll be doing it as assignment. I'll be giving this question as assignment. Okay. Let's do the fifth question. So draw the letter Y such that the three angles formed are 150 degree, 60 degree, and 150 degree. Like the letter Y will be like this. Okay. Where will be the angle 60 degree? Will it be here or here
Yes.
or here?
No.
Here you're
No.
saying.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Yes.
Here it will be 60 degree. We have to do the actual construction. Okay, now by the way. And where the angle 150 and 150 going to be?
And
On
the
the
down.
sides, on the
Yes.
sides like this, 150 and 150. Right, Habib? Everyone getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so try to draw this.
Sir, it's very easy.
Yeah, it is quite easy. The steps that you have to follow, first you will basically make a line, slanted line. You have to make a slanted line like this. Then take the vertex, like mark a point on its edge, and from this make an angle of 60 degree. Habib, you also do this. Everyone.
What?
You also do this. You also draw this.
Letter Y.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Sir, we have to draw the 60 degree and then the 150 degree.
Yeah. After drawing the 60 degree, okay, na, you will be placing the, hold on. Why it stops working? See, you will place after drawing the 60 degree, you will be
Okay.
placing the protector like this. Okay. Place it like this. And starting from this side, okay, you will take the measurement, and wherever you'll be getting 150 degree now, you will draw the line like that. Okay.
Sir, finished.
Finished? Okay, show
Yes,
it
sir.
to me. And interestingly, what is the sum of all the angle here? 60 plus 150 plus 150. How much is it? Guys, isn't it 360 degree?
Yes, it is
That's the
360.
total angle around a point now. Okay, bring it to close to the camera, Nafis.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Well done. Okay, make sure you mark it also. Give it a name.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. You can do it after the class. Now move on to other question. Question number 6 here. Yeah, Laksh. Let me see. Okay, very good. Okay. Are you not using a ruler, Laksh? You're using.
Sir, I have it on the back, but this thing's pretty slippery, so it just wobbles
Oh,
around.
okay. Yeah, Habib, now you show me. Hold on. That is only angle 60 degree.
Yeah, I was drawing.
Okay, complete it. But Habib, what did I told you that you have to take a slant line like this, then draw an angle 60 degree like this, not like this. This is wrong. You have to do it in the following manner, the one that I have shown over here. Guys, question number 6 is saying that you all have seen the Ashoka chakra on the Indian flag, right? Okay, now it was taken from the Ashoka pillar, by the way. Okay,
Yes.
its inspiration is basically the Ashoka pillar. So there are total 24 spokes in it, right? 24 spokes on it. Okay. So question is asking what is the degree measure of the angle between two spokes here? Like look at this spoke over here, like this spoke and this spoke here, right? So how much is the angle between these two spokes? So that is what the question is asking.
Maybe 10.
No, it does not have to be guesswork. We have to do the calculation here. See, total angle around the center of this Ashoka chakra will be 360 degree, right?
Yes.
Total angle around center of Ashoka chakra, that's 360 degree. Okay. Then how many spokes are there? Total spokes around the point is
24.
24. Right now. So between angle between two spokes here will be will be 360 divided by 24, and that will be getting as 15 degree, right now. So the angle between any two spokes here, it's going to be 15 degree. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Further question is asking what is the largest acute angle formed between two spokes here, right? And between two spokes here, right? So it's asking you the largest acute angle. Keep this thing in mind. So first of all, let's write down what could be the possible angles here now. See, there'll be 15 degree, right? Then there can be 30 degree, 45 degree. Try to understand this. Look at where I'm pointing.
Yes.
Okay, now see, I have
Yes.
taken this and I'm saying like I can have 15 degree, then 30, 45, then I can again have 60 degree, 75 degree. Now after 75 I'll be having 90 degree, but 90 degree is not a acute angle, it's a right angle now. So
Yes.
out of 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75, 75 is the greatest acute angle here. Okay, so the largest acute angle here possible is 75
75
degree
degrees.
between this spoke,
75.
and this spoke here. Hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
no?
sir.
That's the thing. Okay, 71. There's one more question over here. Question number 7. Okay. So, see, question number 7. Listen to the explanation. There's a puzzle. Like, I am an acute angle. If you double my measure, you get an acute angle. Okay, I am an acute angle. Even you double me, you will still be getting a acute angle. Okay, let's do one thing. Like the other students are waiting in the class. So this one last question in this chapter is almost finished. We'll be discussing that in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll be assigning some questions from this. Make sure you guys complete that as assignment. Okay.